Okay, you know the look. You say that one magic word, or maybe you just make a weird noise, and your dog just stops. They look right at you and they do that thing, that super adorable head to the side tilt. I mean, it's probably one of the cutest things they do, but have you ever really stopped to wonder what's actually going on in their head when they do that?
I mean, this little gesture is pretty much a universal part of the whole dog-human language, isn't it? When we see it, we immediately feel this connection. We just assume, oh, they're really listening hard. But what if it's actually a sign that something way more complex is happening under the surface?
So what is it? What's really going on? Are they confused? Are they just trying to get a better angle to hear us? Or, is it just an act to get more treats? Well, it turns out the real answer is way more interesting than any of that.
Look, there is absolutely no denying how charming it is. But some recent research has started to peel back the layers on this whole behavior, and what they're finding is pretty amazing. It turns out that this little tilt is basically a window, a direct window into your dog's brain. It's not just some random reflex, it's a sign that their mind is seriously hard at work.
And yeah, let's just be honest for a second. It's just so cute, right? It's one of those heart-melting moments that just perfectly captures that pure, adorable curiosity they have.
But here's the thing. As heartwarming as it feels to us, they're not really putting on a performance for our benefit. Science is actually showing us there's a really specific, even measurable reason for that tilt. It's an outward sign of a really complex process happening on the inside.
And that whole process, it really boils down to one key thing: intense concentration. Seriously. When your dog tilts its head, you're not just seeing some cute little quirk. You are literally witnessing a moment of deep, focused thought. They're trying to solve a puzzle in their head.
So, here's the big takeaway from the science. That head tilt is basically a sign of heightened concentration. And to be really specific, what's happening is your dog is actively trying to connect a word they just heard you say with a picture, a visual image that's stored away in their memory. It's kind of like their brain is quickly scrolling through a mental photo album, trying to find the right snapshot.
Okay, so let's break that down even more. What exactly is firing off inside their brain during that one little moment? I mean, to us, it just looks like a simple, quick movement, right? But for them, it's actually a super fast sequence of events happening in their head.
So, here's how it goes. Step 1, they hear a familiar word. Something that really means something to them, like walk or ball or the classic treat. Step 2, their brain immediately starts searching, digging through all their memories to find the picture that goes with that sound. And then, step 3, click! They find it. They match the sound you made with the image in their mind. That head tilt, that's the physical sign of that whole mental search and connect mission.
When you understand this, it really gives you a whole new level of appreciation for your pet, doesn't it? It completely reframes that gesture we all know and love. It's not just some cute habit anymore. It's actual evidence of a pretty sophisticated thought process going on.
And this, right here, is probably the single most important thing to take away from all of this. The next time you see that tilt, just remember, your dog isn't just passively hearing you. They are actively processing information. They are retrieving memories from their brain. They are thinking. That little head tilt is literally the look of intelligence in action.
So that leaves us with a really fun question to take with you. Start paying closer attention. Which of your words makes your dog do that head tilt? Is it car ride? Dinner time? Maybe the name of their favorite squeaky toy? That simple, charming gesture is a direct clue. It's like a little window into their mind, showing you exactly which ideas have really stuck and formed strong connections for them. So go find out. What will you discover?